Hey guys, Aaron Johnson here with Action Water Sports. I'm here with Brad Canoth, a customer of ours. We are on the MasterCraft X26 here, and we want to show Brad how easy it is to jump behind the helm here of a boat with Gen 2 on it, hit your controls, dial in the exact surf settings that you want, and head on down the lake and have a good afternoon. The first thing we're going to do is hit this surf tab right here, hit that button there, and it's going to take us to our surf profile. So we're on the surf tab, and now you literally can say, do I want a mellow wave, a steep wave? Am I surfing left side or right side? All right, so you can hit steep, right. Now hear the ballast system kicking in. And with the MasterCraft fast fill system, this is going to fill between 3 and 4 minutes, and it's all the ballast are filling up, tabs are adjusting in the back, get everything dialed to what you've got set here, mellow and right. So all we have to do is wait for these tanks to fill up. Basically, the boat right now is on autopilot. We have all the ballast are filling up, tabs are adjusting in the back. Family members, you know that this person wants the same setting every time. You can literally say, okay, this is Brad's wave, this is Nate's wave, this is Will's wave. Everything's all able to save it in the software there. Once the ballast is full, we'll see dispatch here on the sides, and we'll be ready to go.
We got out on this beautiful X26 we're on.
Yes.
Which, I mean, we got our NXT, our 20 NXT, first year they came out, so that's kind of our reference. So at first blush, it was like, whoa.
Sure.
You know, just look at it, it's like, that's
a big boat. Yep.
And, you know, on our boat, we've got the surf system with the tabs, you know, kind of mandatory if you want to
the
shape
NXT
that
surf system, yep, right. Absolutely.
And that's all rocker switches, which for me, I'm a buttons guy. I like the switches. I like to talk about, hey, 80% left, 30% but
yes.
I get that that's not for everyone. Sometimes in the boat, you know, if I'm out there, we kind of need the dad mode, you know, because we showed up, you sat me here, and I'm like, okay, there's a lot of glass there, but then you talked me through it. We hit 3 buttons, we were up and riding, and then from there we could tweak it manual if we wanted to. X26, you know, I'm again from the NXT. You have a perception of a boat like this. You see it on the trailer. You see all that freeboard. You see all that mesh. You're like, oh man, I know boats, but even knowing boats, it's like, but really, it's you get in, and I'm just gonna say it's like, hey, I can hit the easy button. And power delivery, super smooth. There's actually less P factor on the boat. I mean, the thing that it does stuff more intuitively than on my NXT. That finesse thing's a little more manual. Which I don't mind because I love the boat and I love being in that thing.
Yes. Analog, like you said,
Maybe, I don't know if this is a good analogy or not, but like the SUV that's got like the traction control and the anti-rollover and the differential braking that just kind of, you don't even know what's happening, but it just kind of keeping you in the sweet spot.
Yes.
So lane assist, whatever that is, you know.
That's so true.
This was easy to drive. This was not intimidating.